Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to this video. So today actually a very special product, a parcel just dropped in on my new apartment, and it's actually courtesy of the ASUS ROG team over here in Singapore. It's actually this one, the all new ROG Delta 2 Tri-Mode wireless gaming headset. I'm gonna be unboxing this monster today. Right, so for those of you who actually didn't know, this one just launched over here in Singapore and I got it in my hand here. Okay, and then of course the next couple of weeks I'm going to be testing this beast, alright, for a lot of things. So if you're actually very interested to find out more about this particular headset, do subscribe to my channel, it's just down there, alright, and click on the notification bell so you get more information about this. Let's get into it right now. Alright, so as you can see here, alright, so there's a tab here and there's an indication on the right to peel it off. Let's see how is the unboxing experience. Okay, let's put it down. Okay, very nice. So once you open up, you actually get to see the headphone. There's no additional wrapping, which I actually like it very much. Nested very nicely in the center. And let me take it out. Oh, look at how thick the sponge is. Oh my goodness. It's very nice to touch on. The next thing you actually see is actually a quick guide. It's like a semi-translucent piece of paper. It gives you, information about everything on the headphone itself, right? The volume up, volume down, all this kind of stuff. All right, this one we'll go through a bit later. Next, I think this is the accessory kit. Let's open up. Oh, you have additional pads. Nice. So you can actually change it if you want to. So you will see this thing here. This is actually a USB receiver. All right, the USB receiver. It's actually a USB-C connector. It says ROG on the front. It's easy to actually lose it because it's nested here, right? So sometimes when you're in a rush, you rip it open, you might overlook this part, which is where the USB receiver is actually being placed. And this is actually the wired 3.5mm headphone jack. Everything is braided, looks very good. Next, there is also an additional USB-C cable, also braided as well, USB-A to USB-C, and then there's actually a USB-A converter attached to the other one end. This is actually quick start guide, the headphone feature, and also giving you how to actually change the ear cups. Last but not least, the boom mic. Oh, it's very thick. Wow, no wonder it says it's 10mm. Right, so this side goes into the headphone. It has a muffler on the front, very thick, very big. Right, let's remove the muffler and look at the microphone itself. Okay, so you see here, slick design. So this is the front and back, right? So probably is to capture the voice better. This is the box, the headphone itself, the USB-A to USB-C cable, and then you have another cable here, the boom mic here, you have the additional ear cups, the spare ear cups, you have the quick guide, and then you have another quick guide here, and of course the warranty book. So this is what you get in the entire box when you purchase the ROG Delta 2 wireless gaming headset. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the headphone itself. It's very comfortable. The way it rotates. Alright, so it actually swivels this way. This is the maximum that you can actually turn. But when you want to like rest it up, you can turn it here and just put it down. Or if you want, you can just put it down this way. So you can have the ROG logo facing upwards towards you. And if you can't really tell the difference, there's actually some matte finishing, like horizontal lines across the whole thing. It's more clear here. On this angle, yeah, very clear. You see here? It's quite sturdy. Right, there's some details here. Not too sure you can see it, but there's like a slit here. Oh, and then it says here, for those who dare. Here it's no cushion, but it's like clothed. here is cushioned. There's a cloth covering it, and there's a plastic or metal here. The band here is, I think, is leather, and then it says Republic of Gamers, and it's like embossed. The earphone, wow, you see how much you can bend. Nice, right? From here all the way to here. Do a twist test. Very good, very flexible, right? Nice. And the adjustment, so 10 on each side. Okay, so for those of you who want a better look, so the right side is here. Alright, so put it on. This is at maximum, so you can tell. Alright, I have a pretty small head. Okay, put it all the way down. This is for the smallest head. I'm gonna put it up. I think it's not really very fitting because it's the bottom part is actually hitting against my ear loop. Indicators here, for those of you who can't really see. Right, the indicators. You can tell on which level you're out now. Okay, so I'll go on to level 2. So let's see, this is level 2. Again, it's still, the cushion is a bit still out, so I might want to go to level 3. Right, oh, this is nice. So this fits me nicely. Let me check. So this is at level 3. Alright, 3 notches. And this fits me wonderful. The headband here, the cushion, it rests very nicely, comfortably against the top of my head. Alright, not a lot of pressure. The thick cushion feels very nice. Okay, so you can see here. Have a look. This is how it looks on the right side. Left. Okay. So do let me know down in the comment section what you think. So as you can see here, there's this is the volume jogger. Scroll up to increase volume, scroll down to decrease volume. Press one time for mute, unmute. This is for 2.4 receiver, right? You can on, off. So this is actually the function button. Press 1 for play and pause. 2 presses next. 3 presses previous. Press and hold for 5 seconds to turn off the RGB lighting. Press and hold for 15 seconds is factory default, means it's more like a reset button here. Okay, there you go. Now it's on. Ooh, very nice. Wow. Okay, let's see how it looks like when you're wearing it. Gamer vibe. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Awesome. Ready for some, like, you know, PUBG or this, do some conquer the world on World of Warcraft. So there's also another volume rocker here. This is actually for Bluetooth. Okay, so do take note, the volume rocker on the left is actually for the 2.4 USB receiver, which is this one. Okay, and the one on the right is actually for your Bluetooth connection, and this is actually for the Bluetooth button. Press and hold 3 seconds to power on and power off Bluetooth. Okay, so now it's actually, you see, blinking, flashing. The microphone, it actually goes here. See this headphone jack on the left side? Goes inside here. Okay, and this is how I do the adjustment. So you can move it nearer to you or further away from you. If you do not need it, you can just remove it. Alright, so the one thing to take note is that there's a groove. Not too sure you can see the groove here. Yeah, there you go. There's a groove here. Right, so this groove, you need to connect it to this side. You see there's a flat end here. Yep. So turn it. Okay, turn it so that matches the groove. And then you hear the click. So, there you go, click. And to indicate, it's red color. So it also says some alignment. It says that it needs to be aligned to the corner of your mouth, which is here. Pull it away, put it closer, closer here, away. Okay, depending on how you want it to be. But so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to charge it up and see how is it like when it actually charging up. Let's see what happens when we charge it up. So you see the light here. goes to red, a solid red, so it's charging right now. And then when it's fully charged, the light will actually go off to indicate that it's actually fully charged. Alright guys, so this has actually been the unboxing of the ASUS ROG Delta 2 wireless gaming headphone. I'll actually be testing this over the next couple of weeks to see how actually it works. So if you want, subscribe to my channel, it's down here. Give a thumbs up to this video, share with your friends, and do click on the notification bell so that you actually get the latest notification when this video is out. My name is Johnny, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.